Lexus's ongoing plot to increase soul-stirring automobiles seems to be coming in combination while you first see the beautiful 2018 Lexus LC500 coupe at the highway. Away from the ribbons of Spanish asphalt, the place we first wheeled it in anger, the LC is much more outrageous to behold. Just know that whilst the car is IMAX-grade car theatre, the manufacturers haven't begun to solid the fitting engine with a proportional quantity of a head thrust, even if one is coming. The gaping spindle grille that provides 2018 Lexus LC500 the face of an electrical razor doesn't impede its curbside magnetism as a snarling, V8-powered sexpot. The LC may be supremely accommodating, with a luxurious inner, a very good using place, and a nostril that also will transparent parking blocks. But whilst 2018 Lexus LC500 is extremely inflexible, the metal chassis underpinning a frame shaped most commonly from aluminum and composite panels is onerously heavy. At 4,378 kilos, our check car weighed greater than a 3-row Honda Pilot SUV. The performance bundle on our instant moderately countered the over-the-top weight by means of changing the usual glass roof with a carbon fiber weave. While the 2018 Lexus LC500 rear guidance made our check car really feel moderately aloof on the restrict, this swish wedge can play both a mellow grand tour or a hunker-down sports activities coupe, relying on which of the 6 using modes you've decided on: Eco, Comfort, Normal, Custom, Sport, and Sport Plus. A common sense of understeer reminds you to not push too laborious, but the LC all the time feels crisp and poised, thank you partially to its adjustable dampers. Even within the firmest environment, the LC soaks up pockmarked pavement whilst retaining the frame stage and corners. And the electrically assisted helm is super quick and exact, transmitting a lovely quantity of highway texture from the entrance touch patches. Versus the usual RAC's 13:0:1 ratio, the energetic setup can chill out as much as 13.6:1 or quicken to a 0.9:8:1. The 2018 Lexus LC500 using modes additionally modify the quantity of the 471 horsepower 5.0-liter V8's gripping soundtrack, as much as 88 decibels at complete whack and normal mode, in addition to how a lot snap accompanies the 10-speed automated well-orchestrated shifts, whether or not performed by means of the transmission's digital mind or by the use of the satisfyingly hefty magnesium paddles at the guidance wheel. Sport mode was once our most popular environment for its stability of refinement, noise, and heightened responsiveness. However, Next drives in a typical fashion, on 20-inch wheels and without the active and rear steering tools, disclose the bottom setup to be even higher fitted to the LC's general demeanor. Along with having a relatively extra compliant trip, the usual car's slower guidance and loss of rear guidance lend it a calmer, extra herbal dealing with stability without diminishing its tactile highway really feel.